Before you cook your next beans, you have to watch this video, okay? So yummy, simple and easy to cook. In my pot, I will go ahead and put the beans, thoroughly washed and picked beans, and I will make sure that I change the first water. I've changed the first water before I start filming. So I'll change the first water and add onion to it and allow it to cook. So I'll go ahead and prepare my stew base. That's the beans base. And this is my pepper mix, red bell pepper, tomato, onion, scotch bonnet, and bunga. So I'll go ahead and fry it until it is very, very dry. And that's my crayfish. I don't have um, the powdered one, so I have to wash and blend before using it. And this is bunga. You see, this bunga is a game changer in beans, especially beans. Very, very good. Okay, so I'll fry it down until it is dry, and hola, our beans base is ready. So in that same saucepan, I'll scoop the stew base into another plate, and I will use it to fry plantain. So I have to fry the plantain, and once it's golden brown, I will take it off from the heat. Okay, so I'll scoop out. I think this one is very, very much for the saucepan. I'll just take out the one that is already, um cooked, and continue to fry the rest of it, and I'm done with it right now. Okay, so how you doing, my amazing supportive family? I'm so grateful to you all. Thank you for making this content creation journey a smooth one. I'll go ahead and check if the beans is already soft, and I will introduce my sweet corn. Okay, I have to drain the water and rinse it off just once. So once I'm done with it, I'll put it inside the beans and cover and allow it to cook for the next 5 minutes. Okay, so once I'm done, I will check and make sure that the beans is not burning under, so that when I introduce the stew base, it will not burn completely. I hope you understand. And this is the stew base I fried earlier. Okay, so I'll introduce this into the beans and stir together. I'll make sure that I stir it together so that the two of them can have a feeling of each other. I added small palm oil because the first one was not enough, just to make it that creamy, reddish, yummy jollof beans. How you doing, my super amazing family? I hope you're fine at various ends. So if you have not given us a thumbs up, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you have not followed, please do what to do so. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel to keep getting new recipes and also being part of our life. Thank you so much, and I do not take it for granted. Okay, and this is it. The beans is ready, easy to make, so simple and super delicious. Okay, I'll go ahead and pack the lunch for my son for school. So today he's going to school with beans and plantain. I'll just give him a little beans. You know that children don't do too much with beans regardless of how you cook it. So little beans and much of plantain, and protein of today is egg. So I just have to, put the plantain one side to make sure that the instructors or the minders know that, okay, this is not just plantain, but it has beans inside. And this is water. My baby loves water, so I give him enough water, and I pack up everything he needs, and we are off to school. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for subscribing. For those that are yet to subscribe, I'm saying thank you in advance for subscribing. Drop your comments, anything yummy, super delicious, or whatever that comes from your mind. Drop it, and I'll be glad to read it. And my next hug is coming to you. Thank you so much, and bye.